Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will swap two variables. First, create variable a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. We can't simply swap variable by using a equal to b and b equal to a. Print the value of a and b to check what's happened. Value of a is a and value of b is b. Now on to check. Here you can see we got wrong output. Value of a is 5 and value of b is 5. Why? Because here we assign b to a and the value of b is 5, so a become 5. And here we assign a to b and the value of a is 5, not 10. That's why b become 5. That's why we get wrong output. The value of a is 5 and value of b is 5. We use another variable, third variable, to swap these variables. Create variable, swap and assign a. Now in swap, value is 10 and here a equal to b, we assign b to a and in a the value is 5, and here instead of assigning a to b we assign swap where we store the value of a. Now the value of b become 10 because in swap the value is 10. Now on to check. Here you can see we got right output. The value of a is 5 and the value of b is 10. Now swap variables without using third variable. A equal to a plus b. Now the value of a is 15 because 10 plus 5 become 15, and then b equal to a minus b because in a the value is 15 and when we minus the value of b, that is 5, and we get 10. Now a equal to a minus b as the value of a is 15 and we subtract from b 10 and we got 5, and here you can see the value of b is 10 and the value of a is 5. We swap these values. Now on to check. Here you can see we get right output. The value of a is 5 and the value of b is 10. Another and simple method that we can use only in Python is a comma b equal to b comma a. Now on to check. Here you can see we get right output. We can swap values using a comma b equal to b comma a. The value of b is assigned to a and the value of a is assigned to b. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.